What's up, folks? This is BG from Cooking with BG and K Bella Uncut. K Bella today, she's not feeling well, so I'm gonna be doing this by myself. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be making a smoothie, BG and K Bella style. All right. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be using for the smoothie that we are using during our that we're gonna use during our fast of eating no meat for a month. Alright, so right over here for the green leafy stuff, that's spinach, along with some wood sorrel. Don't tell K Bella. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna start off with pineapple. We got pineapple that we already cut it. This is a little thing of orange juice mixed in with some pineapple water, which we will explain what that is on another show. Alright. We got bananas, avocado, carrots. These are sweet lady apples, kiwis, cucumbers, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, and celery. I think I said carrots before. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it up in my blender. All right, right here. Whoa, right there. All right. So what I'm gonna do first is put in the greens, all the greens and the vegetables, and then put the orange juice in it, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, folks, so now I got the vegetables in there with the juice and everything. So I got the avocado, cucumbers, carrots, celery, spinach, and wood sorrel mixed up in there right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press liquefy down there. I wish I had a better camera. I'm gonna press liquefy down there, and then I'm gonna cut some music on while it does this. Alright, folks, so the vegetable portion is liquefied. As you see right there, it's green. It probably tastes like a bunch of grass and outside items. Alright, I'm about to put in the fruit, and the music that was playing during the smoothie experience is from Dancy Beats. Alright, but right now I'm about to go and put in these fruits. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna put these fruits in, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, all the delicious fruit is in here. Alright, the pineapple, the banana, the blueberry, raspberries, blackberries, the pink lady apples. Understand what I'm saying? And we're about to go ahead and mix this on up. Let me get this top on right quick. I'm about to hit that music from Dancy Beats while we do this, alright? I'm gonna put on smoothie button this time. And one thing I forgot, if you want to add a little sweetener to it, add a little agave. Alright, so here it is right here. I'm going to put the agave in there and mix it up a little bit longer, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the finished finished product. Alright, be right back with you. Alright, folks, I'm about to pour it on in here. Look at that. That's a real smoothie right there. This is mine right here. Smoothie on up. Smoothie on up. Right there. So let me save a little bit for a little bit later too this evening. Alright. So let's see how this tastes today. That's something special right there. That is something special right there. Okay, Bella Bree gonna love this. It's probably gonna make her feel better. But hey, that's how we make our smoothies. This is the do-it-yourself Geely Inc. Breakfast all-day smoothie. All right, it can still taste good, not like dirt and grass. All right, this is BG signing out. Bakuf Shalom.